If you think that you need to put your business aside to write your book, you are wrong. You actually can let your regular content do double duty and get content for your book and from your book really easily. A little confused maybe? I'll clear it up for you in a second. Just know that writing content and copy can be easy. I'm Vickie Gould with Easy Writer Tips to help you write your book and grow your biz. Today, I'm going to show you how to create and find content for your book and from your book. So here's mistake number one, thinking that you have to set aside your business to write your book. And you actually can do both at the same time. You can create content that will get you clients and keep growing your community and keep your business humming along, plus write your book at the same time. So, step one, you need to decide on your book topic. Yes, we're talking about your book and we're talking about content that we are putting out on social media and blogs and podcasts and interviews, everything all falls into the same thing because guess what? Your business has one message. Your book topic should have that same message. Your content has the same message. So decide on your book topic, which aligns right there with your business. Step two, create 10 subtopics for your book or AKA your content. You're going to chunk that thing out. So here's your big umbrella idea, your theme, the thing that you're talking about all the time. And then you're going to have subtopics that lead to that thing, that support that thing, that you can talk about all the time anywhere. Step three, create 3 to 5 subtopics for those 10 topics that you've just decided on. See how now you have 30 to 50 things to write about? Like it's unending. Step number 4, write about each of those subtopics with an angle, with disruption, with opinion, or a different way of doing things. Or just plain tell the truth about something, or talk about the mistakes about something, or whatever it is that is going to catch the interest, pique the interest of your community. Now, P.S., if you want some pro hacks to write your book even faster and get more ideas for content, check out my free cheat sheet called the 5 Secret Strategies to Write Your Book Quickly at bit.ly/5 Secret Strategies. It's in the link below in the description too. So here's the thing. Just think about it. If you write for the next 60 to 90 days, which you're supposed to be doing anyway, right? Because what is it about online business that keeps it going is content. And if you've ever been at a loss and going, I don't know what to write about, I just gave you 30 to 50 things to write about. If you write about those things for the next 60 to 90 days, thinking that, they're all themed out and everything, you'll have almost all the content you need for your book. Or if you decide to write your book in this way and kind of do it the opposite way around, you use the same concept. You think of the topic for your book, you chunk it down into 10 chapters, chunk those chapters down to 3 to 5 sub things that you're going to be talking about, and voila, you will have your book, and then you can use that as your content. Stuff that you send out in social media, things that you talk about on your live streams, and you just kind of change it up a little here and there. You'll have content for your social media and everything else for forever. All you have to do is change up the way you say things just slightly, a little bit, Just do it 10 different ways for each of those 30 to 50 things. Just think about it. If you had 50 things and you said it 10 different ways, that'd be 500 posts. I think that would last you a bit, right? People need to hear it that many times anyway to let it sink in. So don't feel like it's going to be boring. You're going to be repeating yourself. You are not. And here it is. Voila, all the copy and content you'll ever need for your business, for your book, for your social media posts, for your live streams, for your YouTube, for everything. So I'd love to hear now, what are your thoughts about writing your book in this way or getting your content in this way? You can Write your content for your book or write your book and create content? What are your thoughts? Leave your comment below. And again, if you want some pro hacks to write your book faster, grab some easy content tips in my free cheat sheet, 5 secret strategies to write your book quickly at bit.ly/5secretstrategies in the description below. And make sure you join me and thousands of other entrepreneurs from all over the world writing books and growing their business, creating content in the Write Your Biz Book Facebook group. We constantly share with each other. I do free live trainings and challenges regularly on how to write your book, market it, and create content that your audience will love. So all of that is in the link below. And if this video was helpful, be sure to subscribe. Ding! Share with your friends and hit the like button so I know to make more videos just like this. And remember, the most transformational book you read is the one that you write. See you later.